Today I'm checking out this MagSafe stand. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I recently upgraded my iPhone to the new 13, which has MagSafe, and now I can finally get into the world of all these MagSafe accessories. So, one of the things that I wanted to do here was have a little stand where I could attach my phone and my watch. So, what I have here is this new stand, but I also have a MagSafe charger and an Apple Watch charger because they don't come with the stand here. It's actually pretty inexpensive. Now, this one seemed like it was pretty high quality, and it also put the stuff where it was going to be easy to get to. So, first of all, we get a little bag here with an Allen key and some screws, so it looks like there will be some assembly required. And then the stand is right here. Definitely in pieces. Alright, so what we get is this arm. I will say it's some sort of alloy. It's really nice looking. It's kind of got this bead blast finish, these shiny chamfered edges. Quite liked. I can see where the screws will go in here. Obviously this side will be the MagSafe connector, and this will be for your Apple Watch, and on the back side you can see the little channels where the cables will go, right? So I'll put this in there like that and then run the cable and hide it in there. So that's pretty cool. We also get this arm. This is kind of the stand for it. That's where it'll angle, I think. And then the base plate. So all of these are really nice. They're solid metal. So this thing is going to have some weight, especially when it's holding up your phone and your Apple Watch. You don't want it to be necessarily plastic without a really wide base. You need some weight holding it down. And it looks like the cables will run through the bottom here and then through these little slots out the back so that you can plug it in. We also have some little silicone feet on there. But you can see it's probably half a centimeter tall. 6 or 7 millimeters tall. That's pretty cool. They'll just go on here like that, and then we'll screw it down. So it'll have a nice finished look. Cool, so let's get to it.
Discovering something new can be hard to do.
Now, one of the things I figured out is that inside here there's a little silicone strip, and that's going to hold it in, just compression, friction. And so you want to feed the charging connectors through the front, kind of feed the cables through the back here, and then push that in so that's flush. And now I can press in the charger so that it's flush. Man, that's a nice fit. Certainly going to be in there nice and snug. And then you're just going to press in the cable all the way through the back here and then run the connector. There's an opening on the bottom that's big enough to accept the little cover over the plug. So that is one side done. Then we're going to do the exact opposite thing with the Apple Watch connector. This one looks like it presses in the back, so I'm going to press it in there, just like that, and then run the wire all the way down through the bottom as well. And there we have it. Like I said, this is a nice piece of hardware. It just feels premium. It's not overly big. What I love about this is you can put your iPhone here, your watch here. You have them both at the ready. You don't have the watch in the back. That's always kind of a weird setup, in my opinion, for some of the stands, because you just might not see it. It kind of puts everything vertically, and especially if you're reaching around to grab something, that doesn't seem optimal. So it's something that you can see both. You can see the charge state on both, but you can just grab either one of them really easily. So I really like this. This definitely looks like an Apple quality product, and it's going to be a nice way to store or recharge both devices and have them at the ready without taking up a lot of space. So it's perfect for being on your nightstand or your table or your desk. So if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever.